Hi guys, my name is Pintu Mondal, and in this video, I'm just going to share what I used to do in my free time, what you can do. It is my personal opinion, personal suggestion that I used to do. I already told you. The first thing I used to do is you can do is develop a new skills. Um, it could be anything. What are the things that interest you the most? For in my case, there is like I always wanted to learn about the computers, about the digital marketing, about the freelancing, and that's what I did in my quarantine. And when I was not able to go out, when I was not I didn't have any kind of work in this quarantine, we have a lot of free time, right? Everybody does have that. And if you want to upgrade your new skills, or if you want to upgrade something, then this is the perfect time for that. Please develop a new skills, please learn something new that will be beneficial for you in future. So digital marketing, freelancing is obviously it's very beneficial. It will there will be a demanding job for all these roles in future, because this is the digital marketing industry is getting bigger day by day. So if you're learning something that will be beneficial in the future, that is a very good thing for you. To the first things you can do in upgrade your new skills. And the second thing is about your life, it's you can upgrade a new habit. So we all have a lot of bad habits, right? We are humans, so we do have a lot of bad habits. And we used to get to the trap of bad habits, because good habits, you need to work on that then it comes to you. But bad habits, you can get it very soon. I mean, you don't have to work for it. Bad habits you can upgrade easily, but good habits you need to improve it. It takes time. So I would suggest you to upgrade some of improve some your habits. Like if you are not doing exercise, you can start exercising. If you are not reading books, you can start reading books. Try some of these successful people habits. Try to meditate also a very good habit. That I mean, that new habit, that good habit you can get in your life. You can try to improve them, and by the end of the day, by the end of the month, it will improve your life. So try to get some new habit in your life and try to improve them. And habit, if you want to upgrade any kind of habits, it's only take 21 days. You have to continue it for 21 days, and then it will be in your life. Like if you want to start exercising, then you can do it for 21 days, and after 21 days you will feel like exercising. You will not forget to do that anymore. And the third thing that I did, that you can also do, is start reading. Yes, I was not a reader. Now I am, I can say. But I was not a reader back to like 4 5 months ago also, because I didn't like reading. I was to use movies instead of reading books. But now things have changed. And if you're watching a movie, instead of you can reading a book, because reading a books is always beneficial. It will improve your vocabulary. It will give the accurate details of that. But a movie is short, okay? So when you are watching that, you might be losing some of that thing. And then reading a novel and watching a movie, it completely different experience. I can't compare that too. I'm not here to comparing them too. I'm just saying that if you are like more of like watching movies, I'm not saying you to quit you that, but at least give it a try to read a book. I mean, reading book is very important. Every successful people in the world reads book. So you can give it a try. Start reading. And fourth tips, you can do budgeting. You can be the you can plan for your investment in this free time. So that's what I did. I learned about the stock market, I learned about the mutual funds, And there is a lot of video in YouTube, in other area also, that will help you to learn about these aspects of life, like when you can learn about, where you can learn about the mutual funds, stock market, and your investment. And investment, it's necessary, investing very important to have a healthy life, to make a retirement plan for yourself. So if you are doing it in a young age, it's very good for you. So if you have free time, so you can study about the stock market, you can study about the mutual funds and all, and you can invest your money. If you have enough money, you can invest it somewhere to reach your goal. And the fifth things is, yes, reach your goal, try to accomplish something in your free time. Like if you have a goal, like if you have a goal and you were not able to succeeded in that thing, because you didn't have time. Now you have time, make a list of that thing that you want to improve, and that you can improve in your free time. And in your free time, open that list and try to do it one by one. So by the end of the video, I would say that please don't use your free time using social media, and going through the news feed. That is a waste of time. Time is a precious thing, I always used to say that. So use your time smartly, use your time, and don't waste it, please. And thank you for watching this video. I would say, if you like this video, this is my personal tips, personal advice, personal suggestion that I have done to improve my life. So if you like, please, don't compare it to big YouTuber video. I'm not a pro in this section. So thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.